Violent prostitute Jennifer Bird admitted Tuesday to stabbing Simon Hubbard in the depths of a 4-day crack binge on New Year's Day 2011. She pleaded guilty to manslaughter. After an emotional sentencing hearing, his sister Jane walked out of the courthouse and told reporters what it was like to face her brother's killer.
She doesn't show much emotion. She's a very stone-faced individual, and she certainly doesn't show any signs of remorse. So yes, it has been difficult to look at her, to know that she was a woman that took Simon away from us.
She found little reassurance in Bird's criminal past, which includes 3 prior stabbings.
What was most alarming to hear was that Jennifer Bird had such a long and heinous history, criminal record. A lot of things came out that we weren't aware of, and it just made it, I think, all the more awful that she was walking around, and that had she perhaps gotten a stiffer sentence beforehand, then maybe she wouldn't have encountered my brother.
The Crown wants 14 years prison for Bird, who was referred to as a violent stabaholic. Bird admitted that Hubbard gave her no cause to attack him after he had invited her back to his place. Defense lawyers asked for an 8-year stretch in the pen. Judge Julian Parfitt said she'd sentence Bird Thursday morning. Tony Spears, Sun News.